There we go. There, we've got part of this number. Now we want to do this bottom part. And what we're going to do is, there's not space here, so I'm actually going to do the calculations here and then put the answer on the left side of that T account. Okay? Mr. Roberts, let's talk about direct materials. What do you think I'm going to multiply times what?
40,000 times $1.09.
What times the $1.09? 40,000, no. Because we're talking about what part of the T account? Ending inventory.
10,000.
Close. But I want to make sure you all know that we're picking out this 10,000. Okay, this is the 10,000 we're using. We're not using the 10,000 out of that T account. We're using this 10,000. We're using equivalent units. Okay, so this 10,000 times $1.09. And let me see if I can do this. I just might be able to. Of course, I do try, and after all that drama, I do try and put the comma in the wrong place. $10,900. Did I do it right? I'm a little nervous because I did it without a calculator. I got at least one courtesy laugh, maybe two out of that. Did I do it right? Yes, okay. Jim, tell me, help me out with the bottom number here, conversion cost.
4,000 from the ending inventory of conversion cost times the $1.32.
Okay.
5,320.
5,320?
Dollars.
Dollars. Beautiful. Is that right? 16,220? 16,220? Is the T account right? Brandon?
I'm assuming so, but I'll refer for 1 second. I feel like the mark might have been a little unnecessary there.
I hit it, though. I was really close. Someday I want to actually throw a marker in the air and have it land and stick in the marker
Yeah,
bin.
I got, oh, no,
What? Nope, yet, not.
$20 off.
$20, heaven forbid. What happened? We're $20 off?
Yep.
Where? Well, why would it be off?
Rounding.
Rounding. Where did we round?
I could have added on. I could have.
Down here. Did we round? No? He's right.
$20 off. No, we're good. It's dead.
Okay.
My bad.
But we could be off, though, right? We could be off if there's rounding involved. So just recognize that. The more rounding you do here, the more that could not quite be perfectly balanced. But there's our answer.
But we're good, yeah.
But we are good.
That was my fault, right?
Sorry, I'm tired.
You and a lot of other people. Are we good so far? Question, comment, concern, random thought? Okay. 2 calculators. He's ready to go.
I was just showing I wasn't texting. I had my calculator down here.
In that case, in that instance, that thought had not crossed my mind.
Okay.
I was just laughing because when you say hot text message.
Can't on the other side, can't you just multiply the 35 by the 2 individual numbers and then add the left side and then subtract it to get that one instead of having to?
Yeah.
Like,
This is the easiest number to get. So you don't want to make this any more complicated than this.
then when you add the 2 direct materials from this side, you would subtract that one number and then get it where you won't have to multiply a second time by the individual one.
But you have to do it 2 times here.
But you're okay.
You can probably, I'm sure you can get the right answer that way if that makes it easier
That's
for you.
what I said, well, if
Yeah.
you multiply by the 1.9.
Yeah.
Okay.
If you want to do it that way and it helps you get it right,
Always work that way or not. It worked this time, but I didn't.
I think it should. You can do all the other problems and see if it continues to work.
I'll get right on that.
Well, I mean, when you're studying for the test, as long as it continues to work, then you're good.
Okay,
But it very possibly could.
okay.
Okay? Now, we're only half done.
Yes.
She's really excited about it.
I'm done.
Because I can't figure out how to do the next one, so I'm kind of interested to see how.
Yeah, because this is new. Certainly, yeah, Dr. Stone might teach both in Principles of Managerial, but I don't think anybody else does. And so we're about to learn the FIFO method. Drum roll, please. So you want to take the notes on the next page. There's a blank page. Who is
What?
freaking out right now?
Oh. We're down, we're only up 2, and then like 2 minutes left, I'm a little nervous. We just don't have to stay out and fight.
Oh, I get it.
You asked why I was freaking out, I'm being honest.
And so I'm just wondering why. And so why are you checking basketball scores?
I'm just assuming this is what happened.
Why are you checking basketball scores during accounting class? Where are your priorities?
Like accounting class. That's why I'm not at home watching the game.
Exactly when I said that you was gonna.
Yeah, somehow I better be honest than just a lie, so.
That's never the right thing.
Being honest is never the right thing. Please remind me not to, hire you.
Don't do it.
If honesty isn't that fault.
So you all, this is all the same, okay? This is all the same. I used to hate it when professors did this to me, where they just kind of erase part of it and then read, and so I hate it. But it's kind of fun when you're the professor to just erase the parts that I don't need anymore, and then we're getting ready to go. Brandon, get right on that.
I am.
Okay.
Getting ready to copy.
He's gonna watch you like a hawk, and the next time you go for your phone,
Like,
it's gonna be all.
Do I need to confiscate it?
no, that's unnecessary.
That's unnecessary.
Yeah.
That, whenever I got my phone taken away, like in high school, I would just take my friend's phones and text mine. So then it was like buzzing off the teacher's desk.
That's funny, actually.
Yeah, I'd probably.
And
do
then
that.
I'd get mad if they opened it to turn it off. I'd be like, you cannot open my phone. That
My
is-
senior
that is
year, you got a
inappropriate.
Saturday school, they took your phone.
While you're writing, I actually know somebody who play acted, had his son come in, is a professor who had his son come into the class on the first day of class. And they rigged it so his phone rang during class. And when it did, and it was an old phone, they actually took it to the front and took a hammer to it in front of the class and said, "This is what happens to phones when they
There's a teacher.
when they ring in class."
There's on YouTube.
Yeah, it got everybody's attention. You got this all copied down, Mr. Vogt? Awesome. Let's go. Well, hurry up.